You're welcome back to the continuation of our standard form. Today, we're going to be looking at multiplication in standard form. Now, example 1, simplify 0.0285 multiplied by 0.267, leaving the answer in standard form. Now, the first thing to do, 0.0285 multiplied by 0.267. We are going to move our decimal point away totally. When we're dealing with multiplication division, you move your decimal point away totally, meaning you are not going to retain it at the back of the first digits. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to have 285 multiplied by 10 raised power. See, we are moving backward. Our power of 10 will be negative. That's negative. And we have moved 4 times multiplied by, move this 1, 2, 3. So we have 2, 6, 7 times 10 raised power. We have moved backward 3 times minus 3. So it's going to be 285 multiplied by 267 times 10 raised power minus 4 times 10 raised power minus 3. So it should be easier for us to multiply this either with our calculator or with our free hand. So let us multiply these two. What do we have? 76095 multiplied by, pick one of these 10 raised power minus 4. This multiplication changes to addition at the power, then minus 3. Open bracket and close it. So we have 76095 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 4. Plus and minus, we have minus 3. So we have 76095 times 10 raised power minus 4 minus 3 give us minus 7. But this is not our final answer. We have to move our point to the back of the first digit since we are dealing with standard form. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 7.6095 times. We are moving forward now. Our 10 is going to be to the power of positive. That is plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then times 10 is power minus 7. So we have 7.6095 times, pick one of these 10 raised power, we have 4. This multiplication changes to addition, plus minus 7. So we have 7.6095 times 10 raised power 4, plus and minus, minus 7. So we have 7.6095 times 10 raised power 4 minus 7, we have what? Minus 3. So that is how to solve that. Example 2. Express the product of 1.04 and 0.08 in the form A multiplied by 10 raised power n, where 1 less than A less than 10 and n an integer. Product means multiplication. So we have 1.04 multiplied by 0.08. First of all, this one is already in standard form. Just let's put a power of 10. 1.04 times 10 raised power 0. We put to the 10 raised power 0 because anything is power 0 in indices means 1. So 1 times this value give us back this one. Then multiply by, we move this point, 1, 2. So 8 multiplied by 10 raised power. Since we are moving backward, it's going to be negative. So we have minus. We'll move how many times? 2 times. So we have 1.04 times 8 multiplied by 10 raised power 0 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 2. So we have, so let us multiply this. We have 832 multiplied by 10 raised power, you pick one of these 10, 0 plus minus 2. So 832 times 10 raised power 0 plus and minus minus 2. So we have 832 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 2. That is 0 minus 2 is minus 2. But to put this in a standard form, our point must be at the back of this first digit. So we have 1, 2. So since we are moving forward, it's going to be power of positive, and the 10 will be positive. The power 8.32 times 10 raised power 2. We are moving forward. That's the power 2. Multiplied by 10 raised power minus 2. So we have 8.32 times 10 raised to power 2. This changes to plus minus 2. So we have 8.32 times 10 raised to power 2 plus and minus minus 2. That is 8.32 times 10 raised to power 2 minus 2, 0. So our final answer is 8.32 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0. Example 3. Evaluate, open bracket, 4.5 times 10 raised to power minus 2, close bracket, to the power of 2. Open bracket 4.5 times 10 raised to power minus 2. The meaning of these two, we are going to multiply it twice. Open bracket 4.5 times 10 raised to power minus 2. So we have 4.5 multiplied by 4.5 times 10 raised to power minus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2. Now let us multiply 4.5 multiplied by 4.5. We have 20.25 times pick one of these 10 raised to power minus 2, then minus 2. Don't forget, this one we change to plus. Plus and minus give us minus. So we have 20.25 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 minus 2, we have minus 4. But this is not our final answer because our points must be at the back of the first digit. We have to move it forward. 2.025. When you are moving forward, that is positive, 10 raised to power 1 times 10 raised to power minus 4. So we have 2.025 times pick one of these 10 raised to power 1 minus 4. So we have 2.025 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1 minus 4, we have minus 3. So this is how to undergo the multiplication of standard form. This is an interesting class. If you are a new member on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. If you are a usual member, I will always appreciate you. Thank you for believing in me. I will see you in the next class when we'll be talking about the division of standard form. Thank you.